So the Vertebrates Genome Project, I think, is just indicative of our wish to sequence the whole biosphere. Um, Vertebrates in particular are helpful because they often constitute keystone species in the wild, and I hope, and I think there's reason to believe that we will be restoring more and more of the non-urban environment to wilderness. Certainly, you can see about 1,000 successful rewilding projects, local rewilding. So the most famous one is probably restoring the wolves to Yellowstone after 70 years. It had a typical keystone effect, had a ripple effect that was anticipated and worked out, which was they changed the abundance of large herbivores, which then changed the abundance of the willows and other trees, which changed the beavers' behavior, which changed the built lakes, which resulted in aquaculture. So just introducing one vertebrate had all this ripple effect. That's one reason to do it, but there are many others. And if we are causing the extinction of many species, we are also causing the hybridization, which is the creation of new species. It's not clear that we're making extinction faster or more significant than new species. I think our gut feeling is that we are, but it's not proven yet. But in any case, we need to do that survey to see in detail what we're doing. And in some cases, we need to freeze away as many organisms as possible. But we shouldn't be confused that freezing it away or putting it in a database doesn't mean that it's going to be easy or even possible to restore. We need to do everything. We need to document, freeze, and protect what is already there by shrinking our agricultural use, possibly by 10 or 100-fold. I think that's totally feasible to do with synthetic biology and other new tools that we have.